This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your photo galleries are not showing up on your Motorola phone. Now you could swipe up from the bottom or something like that, and you can go into the Motorola application and just see if it's located in here, but it might be somewhere on your phone. So you can look also in Google. Google will probably have a Photos application in here. So I got Photos. That'll be Google Photos, and you can see all your photos through this as well. So we can back out. Now, you can always try searching for it, gallery, and see if it's on your phone. So here's gallery right here. And then another thing is if we go to the Google Play Store, there is a bunch of free gallery apps we can just download. So if it's completely gone from our phone and we can't find it anywhere, just type in gallery right here, and we can download a free one. So we have the Moto Gallery right here. We can download the Motorola Gallery if we want. We got like the Google Gallery somewhere right here. So let's just get the Motorola one and install it. And then I should be able to open this up, and it's just going to be a basic gallery app. So go to the Google Play Store and you can find all the different gallery apps you want. And some of them might have some ads, so I'd recommend maybe just getting the Google one or the specific one for your phone. So let's go to English. And I think this says install. I can't remember what this says. So as you can see, this one has some ads on it, so I'll probably just go ahead and just get the Google one. So I'm going to go ahead and just disable this one and go back and uninstall it. I don't like that one, so we can go back now. Here's the Google one, install it, and then I don't have to worry about ads. Maybe this one would be good too. Just look at all the different ratings, and then you can see if it has ads on them or not. So let's go to allow, then we can go to continue, and this one looks pretty good. So no ads. So we can go on down now, and we can swipe up, and we should be able to find gallery under here now. So gallery. So we got the Google Photos one. We can hold down on it, and we can go to add to folder, something like that. We can add it to one of these folders, or we can drag it to the home screen. So here's gallery now, and we can open this up at any point in time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.